Ever wondered how to tackle the challenges in data visualization or the dynamic changes in Power BI? A leading marketing firm in the USA faced a similar challenge. They desired to make their table and charts linked and to dynamically change the colors of the bubbles on their map visual. The solution to this complex problem was ingeniously provided by Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm. With a map visual that needed to dynamically change the colors of some bubbles, the marketing firm found itself at crossroads. The report page had several filters and a KPI dashboard, whose metrics would change when the user clicked a certain element. The firm wanted the map to also change dynamically relative to the filter. Blackcoffer came on board and provided an innovative solution that involved adding website data from the details table to the map visualization. This made the bubbles get colored dynamically according to the requirement for website data. The result was a PBIX Power BI file updated with this solution. But how exactly was this achieved? The technical challenges faced during the project execution were significant. The map was not linked, and the map bubbles were not dynamic. Blackcoffer's solution involved refactoring the data model and using appropriate keys to link the data together. This allowed the map to change according to slices or filters. To change the color, Blackcoffer used a novel technique involving bookmark buttons in the dashboard. This brought up the dynamic color changing with slicing, which worked after being published. This solution, designed and developed by Blackcoffer, not only solved the client's problem, but also provided several benefits. It enabled dynamic interaction between the table and the map visual, creating a more intuitive and engaging user experience. Furthermore, it allowed for dynamic color changes in the map visual, enhancing data visualization. So, to recap, Blackcoffer tackled the challenge of data visualization and dynamic changes in Power BI by refactoring the data model, using appropriate keys to link the data together, and using bookmark buttons for dynamic color changing. The result was an enhanced user experience and improved data visualization. This is the innovative prowess of Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm that prioritizes its clients and provides powerful insights in various fields. Over the past 12 years, they have helped numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions. So, if you're facing similar challenges in data visualization or dynamic changes in Power BI, you now know who to turn to. Blackcoffer, with their industry-leading standards and global team of experts, is ready to provide you with the solutions you need.